Welcome to this training. The Meetinghouse Webcast system is found at webcast.churchofjesuschrist.org. It does require login and the correct roles in order to access. Once logged in, you will see the dashboard. Near the top of the dashboard, you will find a viewing link. This link doesn't change. You may notice that we have 3 events already scheduled for next Sunday, one for each building. There's a lot going on here. Let's examine an individual event card. This is the name we provided for the event. We will standardize on this format. List of wards - building name. Next, we see the Setup button. We will take a look at this in a moment. In the Schedule block, we see details for the start time of the event. The status area contains 6 different icons. When the meeting is underway, more information will be provided here. We will be able to click on individuals, for instance, and see who is connected and if they are having issues or not. The End Event button will terminate the event if it is underway, or cancel it if it hasn't happened yet. Okay, I promised we would look at the setup dialog. On the screen we are given the general viewing link, which we will use for remote viewers, and we also see a congregational link. This is used when we broadcast from one building to another, such as a state conference event. Sometimes an event code is required if the event is marked as private. Moving from the View URLs tab, we will skip the 2 middle tabs as they aren't needed for our configuration. The Other Setup tab contains the stream URLs we need to put into the camera to send the video to. In the camera, we will concatenate the 2 values into one line like this: rtmp://stream URL, or the value from the first box, /stream key, or stream name, the value from the second box. You will learn where to put this value in the training segment about the camera. Next, let's look at how to schedule an event. This is the Schedule Event dialog box. We will give it an event name, normally the ward list - building name as we saw earlier. Select an event date and set the start time and duration for the event. There's no need to add padding before the event, as the webcast system will automatically be ready to accept the feed 1 hour prior to your scheduled event. Select the presiding authority, the broadcast site, and the broadcast type. Below the nearest region field is a new link which will run a latency test to determine which region you should select. For best results, you should run this test in your building and on a physical network connection and not over wireless. This normally takes a minute or 2 to complete. I sped this video up 1,000% because, well, I'm impatient. The test recommended switching to the US West region, so we will. Finally, we will change our encoder from Teradek to Other. The rest of these switches are used in special cases, such as performing a test, so we'll just leave them alone. And that is it for the webcasting portal. Thanks for watching this training segment.